Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're talking drills. Cordless drill, also called a screw gun, depending on what you're using it for. It's a necessity. I'm going to show you. Let's get to it. Now, I've always used Makita. I love Makita. It's not like I have anything against yellow. I just have always used them, and it's power. So it comes with this little charging station here. You pull the button, pull out. And it's also got, you can see it's charging here, and it also has the little key to what is going on with your current battery. Something also cool with the Makita is this little power testing button. It shows you how much juice you have left in the battery. I also picked up this cool imitation Makita charger. Now, I don't know if the genuine chargers and the batteries last longer or not. This was a great extra set to have at home, one I can keep in my truck. It even plays a little Beethoven. This one also comes with a light on it, so it's neat when you're working in closets that you don't have to pack a light out. You got this little baby and you can move right along. So on the top I have two separate gears. I have first gear, obviously, which is a little slower, and then second gear, bam, it's going to give it the power. And this little button here is going to be your reverse switch. One sends it forward clockwise, and then the other way sends it counterclockwise. Now the settings up here, this one does not have a hammer drill on it. It's just got the drill. So I'm not going to be going through any hardcore concrete with this. Next to the screw are these odd numbers. This is for the torque setting. When you don't want to be too hardcore on it, send your screw in too far. You set the torque and it won't spin farther than you need it to. Loading a bit, I'm going to take my bit holder. This one's got a Phillips bit in it. So I'm open right here, and if you send it into reverse by clicking the button, you can pull the trigger and hold this black part here, and it's going to close in, tightening your bit. Makes it pretty easy. Here's a Phillips bit with a bit holder. We're going to put that in and then just hold this here, tighten it down, and that's ready to go. Or you could change the bit out of the bit holder. This little guy pulls out, and then you slide your new bit in. Now, if yours does have a little hammer right here, you're going to be able to go through concrete. If you set it to that, it's going to give it a little knock, like the hammer drill setting makes it way easier to go into concrete. If you do want to drill something, you need to hold your chuck, send it into reverse, loosen it up, pull the bit holder out, drill bit. You can thread it in there, hold this one, and tighten it down. Now it's ready to drill. Now these other ones are called paddle bits. These are going to be for drilling holes in cabinets if you need to run lines or plumbing or need something bigger. If you need something bigger than that, go with a hole saw. This drill bit in the middle serves as a guide. This thing also has a meter here that tells me how much power is left in the battery. It's just super cool, man. You really can't do without a cordless drill. So that's it. Basically, no reason to ever buy a corded drill again if you have an awesome cordless set. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.